Good morning, one and all, for the class. Today we are going to start up with the second term portion. The name of the chapter is Communication on the Internet. The Internet offers users several different ways of connecting with the people. You are already aware about the emails and the web browsing. Today in this chapter we are also going to discuss about the other means of communication and many other more services. First, what we are going to discuss is the chat, then instant messaging and news group. Chat programs and instant messaging let us communicate with other users instantaneously through text messages. News group allows you to interact with many other users, but the communication is not instant. Chat rooms. A chat room is a service in which multiple users talk to each other in real time by posting the messages, usually on a topic of common interest. Many websites offer chat room facilities. Some popular ones are ICQ.com, etc. Instant messaging. Instant messaging is a communication service over the internet that allows instant transmission of text based messages from the sender to the receiver. Like online chat, instant messaging also offers text based two-way message exchange in real time. It is different from online chat in that IM is communication between the users, whereas online chat could also happen between the unknown users. The popular IM service include AQ, AOL Instant Message, Skype, Windows Live Messenger, Yahoo Messenger, and Google Talk. Using Yahoo Messenger, first of all, you're supposed to connect to the internet. Second, you're supposed to download or install Yahoo Messenger. Then you're supposed to select Start All Programs, Yahoo Messenger, and then click on the Messenger India. Using Yahoo Messenger, first of all, you're supposed to connect to the internet. Second, you're supposed to download or install Yahoo Messenger. Then you're supposed to select Start All Programs, Yahoo Messenger, and then click on the Messenger India. Do's and don'ts of chats. While chatting, it can be fun and informative. These do's and don'ts are important. Do's. Use a chat nickname and not your real name. Check the terms and conditions and privacy statement of the chat site before you begin chatting. Use decent language while talking. Don'ts. Do not reveal your personal information in the chat room. Do not agree to meet someone you have talked to only in a chat room. Newsgroup. Newsgroup are similar to email except the messages are not posted to somebody's mailbox but on bulletin board where any member can read and respond to them. This allows a decision to take place among several people. A news group may have several active discussions at one time. The difference between the news group and chat rooms is that news group communication is not instant. As with email, people read and write messages as per their convenience. There are thousands of news groups on the web. News groups are organized into official category hierarchies of names and dots, which are read right to left. For example, altmusic.jazz means the jazz music topic in the alternate category. Other Next, we are going to discuss is what is a blog. A blog or a web blog is a site on which articles are posted regularly and displayed in reverse sequential order, with the most recent entry first. Blog entries have to be text, hypertext images, linked to other web pages, video, audio, etc. A blog usually focuses on a particular area of interest. Some vlogs, especially those of celebrity, discuss their personal experiences. Some common, for example, a common vlog is wordpress.com, then automatic. Blogger owned by Google is at present the most popular blogging services which are used today. Web feeds. A web feed or a news feed is a facility that informs you when a website you are interested in has new content. It's a good method of keeping up with the blogs, new sites, other sites. You can update from many sites in a single place and do not need to visit multiple URLs. A program or a website that allows you to keep up with the content from websites of your internet is called as a web feeder. You can tell the web reader which sites you want to see, that is called as subscribing or the website. The commonly used browsers and the email programs which have web readers built into them. Some web readers are as follows: Feedly, My Yahoo Reader, Omia Reader, Fedimon, Awasu. Social networking, a website that provides a visual community for people to keep in touch with the friends or share common interest, is called as a social networking site. 6 Degrees was the first social networking site and it came in the year 1997 to 2001. Then came Friendster in 2002, MySpace in 2003, Facebook in 2004, Twitter in 2006. Today, the most popular social networking site is Facebook, MySpace, and Twitter. Let us study more about them. Facebook. A Facebook is a very popular social networking service. It was founded by Mark Zuckerberg, who was a student at Harvard University, USA, in the year 2004. Initially, membership was for Harvard students only. Later on, it was extended to other universities and then to the public. To use Facebook, you are first supposed to register as a member. Then you have to fill in all the details of your personal profile. Then you have to add other users as friends and exchange news, messages, photographs, etc. Users can also form common interest groups, for example, of colleagues of school or school friends, etc. Many companies have their own Facebook. It helps us to connect and communicate with clients and customers, especially the young people. In future, Facebook plans to develop applications that allow people to share the information. Facebook keeps adding new features, for example, location tagging, mobile advertising. Facebook is the most common popular site today which is used for uploading photos. MySpace. MySpace was started by Tom Anderson in the year July 2003. Between 2005 and 2008, it was the most popular social networking site. MySpace lets you create a personal profile that you share with your family and friends. It has a strong focus on music sharing with instant messaging and video playing features. The site has become very slow and less user friendly due to heavy advertising and slowly lost out of Facebook. MySpace has plans to improve the performance and speed and make it more navigation friendly. It also helps us to plan the users to express themselves through their individual taste in music, photo, videos, and other art forms. MySpace now has more visual design and also has a version for mobile design. The last one which we are going to discuss in this video is the Twitter. Twitter was created by Jack Dorsey in the year 2006. It is a social networking service that allows you to communicate by sending short text messages up to 140 characters long to your friends or followers. These messages are also called as tweets. Many people use Twitter to inform others about the latest happening in their lives. However, it has also played a larger social role by helping organize protests. A good example was the 2011 Egyptian movement that has led the overthrow of the Egyptian president. It was called a Twitter revolution because people used Facebook and Twitter to organize and coordinate the mass movement. In future, Twitter plans to add features for improvement security. Twitter also has been very successful, which is used to inform people about the live TV events. They have also launched a feature which is called as Twitter Amplify, which is used by the companies to advertise their products. Now we will end our class. All of you stay home, stay safe, and take good care of yourself. Thank you.